Friday, vacation travel hacks here with the fourth and final Genie Plus. Is it worth it? Talking session here, and this one is Epcot, and we'll wrap it up. We'll finish strong. Maybe a year ago, maybe a little longer than that. My opinion on Genie Plus at Epcot might have changed, but here is what we will talk about today. I just looked right now. This is a screenshot of yesterday that I took at about 4. We're on the weekend now. And what I show right now, it says, hey, you can get the individual lightning lane. Today you can't. So on the weekend, it is gone. Test track is gone, frozen. It was gone yesterday at 3. It is gone today at 2. And long story short, as you get closer to the weekend and holiday weekends and holiday weeks and spring break where there's high volume, if you're out of school, other people are out of school. If you're like, hey, I want to go to Disney, you're not the only one that thought that. Everyone goes to Disney. This is where right now, and Remy is also gone, by the way. It's sold out. So this is Genie. This is where Genie shines. And you don't have to do it, but if you do it, this one's a little tricky at 7 a.m. Make sure you've purchased it. Make your first one. The ones that go the first is usually test track and usually frozen. I think one time I was able to get both test track and frozen. Just typically speaking, it's either one or the other. So if your audience is more frozen, ta-da. If your audience is more test track, ta-da. And then you can stand by. Stand by for test track on a busier week can be 2, 3, 4 hours frozen. The same. Everyone's in line somewhere. So anyway, 7 o'clock, make your first one. Then it's 2 hours after the park opens. Epcot has open times between 9 and 10. So you'll be able to make your next one at, 2 hours after it opens. So if it's 9, it's 11. If it's 10, it's noon. And at that point, you will see that, hey, whatever you got, the other one's not available anymore. So you'll probably end up with getting Soaring, or maybe Remy is still available. It's not right now, but I bet a couple hours ago it might have been. So you just kind of prioritize, hey, what do I want first? Also, Guardians of the Galaxy can get the individual lightning lane, $15 for that. That's what we do. You can book the time. So, hey, maybe go in and get your frozen or test track. And then shortly after or before that, schedule your individual lightning lane for Genie. It's not unusual to end up with about 3, on a busy week, 3 to 4 rides. If it's less busy, 5 or 6. And because Epcot is connected to the Magic Kingdom via monorail, it stacks very easily with the Magic Kingdom. So after you're done there with your rides, just start stacking stuff for the Magic Kingdom to have a nice nightcap. And because it closes about an hour, sometimes 2 hours later than the other park. So that concludes everything. At the end of the day, if being able to maximize your time, if you're going to, I see the most value with the people that stack. There's other value, but it's all the value in your feet. If you stack like you see here, and then you just kind of park hop, it's not hard to get 10 rides. It's really not. And you'll do in 3 or 4 hours, you will do what I call, we had it calculated somewhere along 700 to 900 minutes of wait and worth of wait in a 3 to 4 hour period of time. That's the best. Otherwise, we average about 500 or 600, which is still good. I mean, that's still pretty good. So that's how we measured the value of Genie Plus, which charges $20. How do you quantify value? If you're like, whoa, wait a minute. Disney is not getting another penny for me, mister. I'm going to stand in the line, and I bet it's shorter than what it's posted. Hey, ta-da, that's for you. And there's no wrong way to Disney. Team, as we always say here, time is precious. Vacation time is more precious. And when you're talking about Disney, vacation time is a fixed dollar amount that you're trying to build memories with your family. So go out there, enjoy it. Epcot has so many new rides. You got the Guardians, you got Remy, And hey, don't forget that there'll be a food version of Epcot soon. We'll talk about that. So they got Space 220 there. All right, this was a lot of fun. Let's do it again sometime. Be safe. See you in the next video.